This 2023 Coachmen Freedom Express Select 22 SE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Medford, Oregon, 97504 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Medford. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8 and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Coachmen Freedom Express Select 22 SE is 4,336 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.